Good afternoon. My name is Satyam Gandhi. I secured All India Rank 10 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2020. And I would have cleared this examination at the age of 21 had the examination not been postponed, but that's another matter. So first of all, let's talk about the time management, because I feel that if you want to clear this examination in first attempt, the first thing that you need to manage is your time. The second point I would like to mention is the plan. You must have a plan, otherwise you won't be able to clear this examination. Now, how to make a plan? All those students who are watching this video must have a clarity of thought. Ask yourself this question: why are you here? Why are you preparing for this examination? That will give you the push to prepare for this examination. Now, how to make a plan? You must prepare for at least 1.5 years to clear this examination in the first attempt. Those who say that 5-6 महीने में हो जाएगा, I do not believe them. So 1.5 years का आपको plan बनाना है, and then delineate the topics as well as the syllabus that you want to cover in these 4 months. In these months, for example, let's say in October I have decided to cover society and governance of mains topic. Divide those subtopics into weekly and daily plan, and then achieve those topics, achieve that plan at any cost. कुछ भी हो जाए करना है, 10-12 घंटे पढ़ने पड़े, but आपको पढ़ना है. The only source of motivation is you. Internal motivation is the only source. Ask yourself this question: why are you here? Then only you will be able to clear this examination. I revised all those standard books at least 10 to 15 times, because until unless you are done with that many times of revision, it will become very difficult for you to solve the questions of prelims with full confidence. अब वो लोग जो कभी सरकारी बस स्टैंड पे गए हैं, लाइक इन ईस्टर्न यूपी एंड बिहार, उन्हें एक मिलेगा बिस्लेरी का बॉटल, दूसरा मिलेगा बिल्सेरी का बॉटल. So you will get confused कि असली कौन है. So same happens in the prelims कि A, B, C, D इसमें सही कौन है. So the only way forward is the revision. Revise those standard books as many times as you can. The simple formula for me was कि तब तक पढ़ना है जब तक बुक ना बोल दे छोड़ दे मुझे. बुक तो कभी बोलेगा नहीं, तो keep on revising, that's it. Now let's come to the mains preparation. The simple formula of mains preparation is your schedule. You must have a broad timetable in your mind. अब बहुत लोग होते हैं, मैंने भी मिस्टेक किया था, एकदम स्टिकी नोट्स पे लिखेंगे 8 AM वेकअप, 8 to 8:30 वॉक, 8:30 to 10:30 पॉलिटी. Those timetable never work. In my personal experience, you must have a broad time framework in your mind. And apart from these, I believe the day one answer writing practice की पढ़ाई शुरू किया नहीं कि आंसर लिखने बैठ गया, that should also be avoided. Otherwise आंसर पता ही नहीं तो लिखेंगे क्या, और लिखेंगे नहीं तो मोटिवेशन नहीं आएगा. Then you feel भगवान ये क्या हो रहा है. So the only way forward is make notes. For mains, you have to make comprehensive notes on every single topic that is mentioned in the syllabus, and then revise it 2-3 times, and then start writing answers. Now I have some broad points that you must keep in mind while preparing for UPSC, those who want to clear in the first attempt. The first thing is avoid time waste. You do not have time. Those who are appearing in 2022 or 2023, that doesn't matter. You do not have time. So the simple formula is delineate the sources where you are wasting your time. Always have positive people in your friend circle who will add value in your life. You know, friend circle में उन्हीं लोगों को रखो जिनसे आप कुछ इंस्पिरेशन ले सको, जिनसे आप कुछ सीख सको. If I want to summarize my whole address into 3-4 points, first is have a plan, proper strategy, और उस प्लान को किसी हाल में करना है. सेकंड, अवॉइड टाइम वेस्ट एट ऑल कॉस्ट, बिकॉज यू नो घर में बहुत पैसा है, यहाँ पे आओ तो अलग बात है, टाइम वेस्ट कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज सी यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक, अदरवाइज 10 लाख लोग हैं इस फील्ड में. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज कंसिस्टेंसी. 10-12 घंटे, 10 घंटे तो काफी ज्यादा हो गया, 8 घंटे भी डेली सेल्फ स्टडी इफ यू आर डूइंग, यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक, यू आर इन द टॉप 1% ऑफ दिस होल यूपीएससी क्राउड. सो that's it from my side, and I thank. One more point that I would like to mention: I will thank Khan sir, Dr. Khan sir, for supporting me in the interview, because 2 questions were directly asked in the interview from the mock interview that I gave in KSG. One was why Bihar Jharkhand is backward area, that is compulsory for every candidate who is from Bihar, and the second is what skills did you learn from the leadership position that I achieved in my college. So I would like to thank KSG as well as the whole KSG team and Dr. Khan sir.